Hello YouTubers, I'm taking a video of my dad's Chevy truck. I'm trying to find the year on it, but I can't find any papers on it. It's a Chevy 2500 4x4, and well, this truck's seen a lot in its day. Not a bad little truck, or not a bad old truck, but four-wheel drive works in it. It's pretty clean in here. Don't mind the sticks in the radio, it's to hold the tape down. Clean back seat. Cleaned everything yesterday. It was really dirty. Engine's a bit tired. It's got, what else does it got on it? Let's see here. Let's see. Oops. This is a pretty clean looking truck, but I've cleaned it up a little. The window's got giant cracks in it. Let's see, where's the keys? This will be a cold start because it hasn't started at all, or I haven't started it at all. Let's see how it starts up. Turn the heater off. It started up pretty well. 5% on. Oil gauge works. Temperature works. Fuel works. Battery works. Horn works. Got forward drive. Not a bad little truck. It's the old engine. Doesn't run too bad. Take it for a little drive. Let's see. It's automatic. Got power windows. Speedometer works. Can't drive this very far because it's not road legal. It has a problem with flooding. you, it floods itself sometimes. There we go. It's been a bad truck for what we wanted it for. Well, it's not a bad truck. Thanks for watching.